topped out at the Greenwood Fire Tower. This is a trail from Allen Sager Natural Area to Greenwood Furnace. It's just south of State College, Pennsylvania, and it's close to our cabin. Looks like deer like the trail too. Yeah, hey guys, I'm on top of Broad Mountain now, and I'm at the Greenwood Fire Tower. Pretty cool, the history of these things. Wish I knew more about it, but it certainly was for fire watch. Probably 30, 40 years ago, maybe 50 years ago they used these. No real access to it now. They pulled down the bottom steps. Be great to climb up there. But yeah, great place. I'm gonna find a tree to sit under, get some food, and we'll talk a little bit. Hey everyone, great day here in Pennsylvania. I'm heading back down off the mountain now. I topped out at the Greenwood Fire Tower. This is a trail from Allen Sager Natural Area to Greenwood Furnace. It's just south of State College, Pennsylvania, and it's close to our cabin. So my wife and I, Rhonda, we both really enjoy this trail a lot. We've done it in the summer and in the fall, but I've never done it in the wintertime. Down on the bottom, there is no snow. That's where I started. And as I came up the mountain, started hitting this snow. And it was pretty cool because it got about 6 inches deep. And, you know, it's kind of like kicking in steps. It's kind of fun. Not deep enough to be anything of significance, but it did slow me down. So I learned something every time I go out walking. And, you know, this trip, it was like, hey, you know, snow really does slow you down when you're punching through it and going up a mountain. And it's pretty steep on this upper section. So fun time, all good. The gear's working good, feeling warm, and a little windy on top, so I didn't stay up there too long. But having a great day. It's just really quiet and peaceful here. I'm down on the north side of the mountain and there's no wind now. So I'm going to take my time getting back. Might even do some hiking down there in Allen Sager. Beautiful old growth timber of like oak trees and hemlocks and stuff. So yeah, we're going to start heading back down the mountain. everyone. Hope you enjoyed that video of Broad Mountain. Going up to the fire tower, moving up from the valley and up into the snow over there was really a cool hike. Really great trip. We're just wrapping up a weekend at Starwood. This is our family cabin. My dad, mom, my two brothers, and my younger sister, we all built this thing back in, well, we started in 1983, and it's pretty close to where I went to college over in State College, Pennsylvania, Penn State University. I just retired in January from an engineering career, and now I'm focused on getting ready for the Appalachian Trail through hike. So it's about mid-January now. My launch date out of Springer Mountain, heading northbound, will be February 21st. So still have about a month to go till that all happens. But looking forward to it, excited. Just got to be patient because it's just some time left to get down there and get moving. Probably a good thing because it's pretty cold right now, and I know Springer in late February is going to be cold too, but it's going to be nice walking in the spring. The mountains are pretty quiet right now. They leaves are off the trees and not many animals running around. And boy, it's cold out here today. So I'll wrap this video up. I hope you enjoyed all the footage of the hike, and just going to be a little bit of a gap between videos because of just waiting around for my launch date in February. Ready to go though, getting excited, can't wait, looking forward to it. Always a good time to be out in the woods. So we'll see you in a little bit.